Good morning, everyone. It is a good morning. No school today. Independence Day here in the Philippines. Happy Independence Day to the Philippines and the Philippine people. Today is a family day. Look didn't open the store. She closed it today. We had planned this to keep it closed for today. But yeah, we're gonna head up to the mall. Gonna do some Fun World. Hannah Grace wants to go to Fun World, play some games. Plan on seeing the Jurassic movie. I don't know, Jurassic Park, Jurassic World. I don't know what it's called, but we're doing that today. Still raining. I think this is, let me see, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Almost like 4 or 5 days in a row now it's been raining. So rainy season is here. I can remember last year the rainy season wasn't too rainy, believe it or not. But anyways, that's what we're doing today, and we'll take you guys along. All right, where are they at? There they are.
Morning.
This afternoon. Anyways, we're at the mall right now, and I think everybody else decided to come to the mall. We're here a little early, so we're gonna grab our tickets, grab something to eat, and check out this movie. Here's the mall. Go down this way, look. Yay, another mall. Another mall video. I do got to show you this. As we were pulling up, I seen this and I thought it was pretty cool. I think maybe they got it here for Independence Day. So, let me show you this. This is awesome. Yes, you can even get run over by a car here at the mall if you're not watching. Keep you in suspense. Alright guys, you ready for this? I think it's pretty cool. What do you guys think? They got this chopper here at the entrance coming into the mall. One of the entrances coming into the mall. Philippine Air Force. Hey, come over here. This is where they had the water fountain, but now they got this chopper sitting here now. See if it's open. Yeah, it's open. Check it out. Pretty cool. Huh? Well, if they didn't want you in it, they'd lock it, that's for sure. Yeah.
I think this is
How are you? How are you?
Nope. Love your videos.
Thank you.
Your car good now?
What's that? Yeah, it's good now. Yeah, check that out. That's pretty cool. UH-1H helicopter. Pretty cool, huh? Here's another view of it. I'd show you this view here. And guess what? SM is celebrating 60 years. SM celebrates 60. Hashtag awesome. Or ASOM. They do E-S. They forgot the O. M-E. Alright, I wanted to show you the stairway they just painted here in the mall. This is all new. Balloon theme. So they have a big international balloon festival here every year. So I don't know if they did that because of the balloon festival, but it's pretty cool. Both the stairs coming up here are like this. And they got more festivities going on inside the mall here. You can see the planes and stuff. Like I said, it's Philippines Independence Day today. So everything is decorated for Independence Day. Got a big old flag hanging there. Oh yeah, we'll check it out. All right, I am standing at the selfie. I am standing at the selfie display for Jurassic World. Hang on, wait, Anna Grace. And we just picked up 3 tickets for 630 pesos. I don't know, roughly like, let's see. I think it was, what is that, US dollar conversion? Maybe $10 for the 3 of us. But yeah, this is the selfie display located here at SM Mall. You want to get in there, Edge? You want to get in there, Edge? No? You're afraid? Afraid it's going to bite you? You want to get in there, Hannah Grace? No. All right, guys. We were going to eat at Chili's. They just opened a Chili's here in the mall. The place was packed, so we figured, you know what? We'll catch it some other time. So right now we're at Shikoro. Shikoro is a Japanese restaurant here in the mall. Excellent. Ate in here quite a few times, but let me show you what we got. Look, you wanna see what we got here? We got Gyozo. Gyozo.
You know this.
Spicy tuna roll.
And this is double fried maki.
Deep fried maki.
Double fried maki.
Double fried maki. Deep fried maki. But that's what we're having. Of course, Hannah Grace, she's not a sushi fan, so she's not going to be eating sushi. She actually said she's not hungry, but this is what we're having for lunch today. Masarap, masarap.
Good evening, everyone. Wait a minute. Good evening, everyone. Tonight we are here at Board Sari Sari store. Actually, it's a Thea birthday. I'm one of the godmother of her. So I'm gonna introduce you who's in here. That's my husband, Brian.
Here, it's still New Year's, or it's still
wait.
it's still Filipino
Independence Day. And then of course, that's Boards. Hey, what's up? Oh my god. And that's all people inside. That's Board's mom. Hi, puppy! Puppy! You're so cute, puppy! That's so cute. And then they're singing outside. That is Board Sari Sari store. Right now, she get a freezer. See, oh, look at her. She just have a big freezer. And then she extend this place anyway. That's her new place. That's her sister Nancy. And that's her friend. Thea was inside. Oh, outside, I mean, sorry. She was outside with Hannah Grace. And then, wait, what should I say, show them? I already showed them everything.
Show them Boards again.
Hey, Boards, when did you going to start vlog? Everybody asks about it.
Coming soon.
Always coming soon. She always coming soon. Oh, anyway.
I'm so really busy.
Yeah, she expand her store right now, and her store is more bigger and bigger, if you can tell. Right? See how big it is and how full it is. She get new freezer right here. Everything is in there. Whatever you need. That's hot dogs. Of course, that's a milkfish head. And then that's tocino and everything.
That's what you want to do in the store.
Yeah, that's what I do. That's what I'm planning to get. A freezer. 9,000 pesos for this. Oh, that's my Thea. Say hello. Can you say hello? Hi. Happy birthday. Yeah, that's my goddaughter Thea. Say happy birthday, Thea. Say hello. Did you say happy birthday?
Yes.
Why not?
Kalimutan ko eh.
Okay. And of course, let me do that to my face first because I want to say something. Happy Independence Day to all Filipino all over the world. Happy Independence Day to all of us. And then I think that's all I said.
You guys, you know it wouldn't be a party without videoke. Got videoke over in the corner just screaming away. never a party without video. Okay. But yeah, Boards is doing good. Her store has gotten a lot bigger. Like Lut said, she had half of this. Half of this was just the store, and now she, hey, she's expanding, she's growing. There's the freezer, like Lut showed, but Boards is doing good. She started her store. Oh, Boards, when did you start your store? When did you start your store?
Last year.
Last year. So within a year, she's expanded.
Yeah,
This.
expanded. I have new one. This is my gift for myself, and I got.
I thought you had that refrigerator, or is that a new one? Is that a new refrigerator?
Yeah, that's a new one.
A new one from the last time. Oh wow.
That's everything. Everything is new, and my room also. They have my refrigerator.
Yeah. See, she's standing in what used to be her bedroom, but they took that wall down. She's gonna. You want to expand here, blow out this wall, make it bigger, and right here is the bedroom now. She actually just took over the apartment next to it, and that's how you get in it. You got to step over the steps, but they're gonna fix all that. But yeah, she's doing good. She has expanded and she's growing. All right, guys, we are back now from our day at the mall. You know what? I got my eye here. You guys see my eye? Had a hard time. My contact. I just started re-wearing contacts again just the other day, and I don't know if it's contact or something was in my eye, but I had a hard time watching that movie. Movie was okay. Here's my review on it. I would give it maybe a 3 out of 5. A 1 being, you know what? 5 minutes in the movie, I get up and I walk out. 2 being, you know what? Movie's okay, but I can't wait for it to end. A 3 being, it's all right. A 4 being, you know what? This is a pretty good movie. And a 5 being, I get up and my jaw at the end of the movie is wide open. It's like, wow, what an awesome movie. I'd give it a 3. It was okay. What do you think? They're doing homework right now, as you can see. Tomorrow's school, and Hannah Grace has her homework. What would you give? What would you give that Jurassic World or something like? How would you rate it?
4.
A 4? A 4 being it was pretty good. Okay.
I like the other one.
Yeah.
Like
Which one?
The Disney one.
Huh?
Disney one. Remember
Disney?
they played in Disney. Like remember there's 2 kids.
Coco.
No, that's their auntie. Also Jurassic.
Oh, I don't think Disney made Jurassic Park.
So they played that in Disney. Like they make like Disney.
Like a Disney World type
Disney
thing?
World.
You like the other one prior to this one,
Yeah,
this
I like
one.
the previous.
All right, so there's Luis's review. Hannah Grace, do you have anything to say about Jurassic Park, the movie? Did you like it? Was it good? Would you how many stars would you give it? 1 through 5?
5.
You would give it a 5. Wow. So Hannah Grace really enjoyed it. Standing outside right now waiting for some fireworks. Where are they at? No more? All gone? I think the fireworks are over at the mall.
Yeah, that's in there.
That's coming from the mall. Yeah. Heard some earlier, but now I don't see any or hear any. That was earlier. Everybody's outside waiting. Nothing. All right, like I said, it's Independence Day here today. You know what? We just were outside. We heard some fireworks going off. I think they're up at the mall, but it's cloudy, rainy, so not many fireworks going off. You know, I don't know. You know, like back in the States, we would have picnics all day. We would hang out. I remember we used to go to the one park. All my aunts and uncles would be there. My grandmother would be there. The whole family would be there hanging out all day. You know, take the canoe out onto the lake and do some canoeing, do some fishing, take horseshoes along, play some horseshoes. But I mean, I don't know really how they celebrate the Independence Day here. I mean, of course, different than back in the United States. You know, I get a couple people sitting outside drinking some Red Horse. I mean, look, I mean, how is it celebrated here? I mean, the Independence Day, obviously it's not as big as the States, but I mean, they at least celebrate, right? I did notice there were a lot of flags out all over the place for a week now. I mean, what's standard tradition? It's really not like back in the States, right?
Well, each close or each school where goes to, and then they put flag on it. Supposed to. Because Independence Day, that's the first flag we celebrate our
Independence, right?
Yeah. So that's where we live, like in Capitol, where the city hall is. That's they celebrate there.
So more.
Do the flag in.
So in Manila, in the big capital and everything,
Over here too.
and here they do it.
They do it in the city hall, or they do also, I think, down in San Fernando, if I'm not
Right.
mistaken, they will like have a opera. How they did that before, like Emilio Aguinaldo, how the revolution like fight for our freedom. It's just like that.
What about like just the average people? Like back in the States, we would have picnics and do all that.
Drinking,
Everybody's drinking.
go to SM, watch a
Drinking,
movie.
go to SM, watch a movie. So, yeah, I mean, it's different. Obviously, it's different than back in the States. But yeah, like Lutz said, you know, I'm sure down in Manila, they put on big festivals and things. Here at the City Hall, they do things like that. But anyways, like I say, you know what? Today's a short video. Not every day is exciting. Not every day is, you know, something, you know, crazy going on. Hannah Gray's back to school tomorrow. Back up at 5 a.m. again tomorrow morning. Back running the store. But not every day is a crazy wild day. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this one up. I guess tomorrow the journey continues at 5 a.m. and we'll talk to you then.